Getting lucky. Everyone wants to be lucky in life because people want to succeed. All of us want to succeed in life. But everyone go to pray. Now, ask yourself, if you were God, who would you make number one? Because everybody prays for number one. And at times, there are very many people who are faithful, who pray and hope for luck, hope for the blessing. So it is only those who work hard who are most likely to be favored. So be among the people who work hard. They say shooting stars are meant for those who believe, and it's time to receive the gift of hope. So the belief alone is not enough. Believing in hard work alone is not enough. Do it. Put the hard work. Make sure that you work so hard. As you wake up every morning, think about what am I going to do today, which will help me in life. What am I going to do today that will make me somebody in future? What am I going today that will improve the livelihood me, my family, and my society? If you keep asking yourself this question, you will never have luck. You will never dwell on luck, that let luck be my solution or my hope. You will always prepare yourself to work so hard in order for you to excel in your office, in your business, in your garden, in your factory or whatever workplace that you have. So don't believe in luck, believe in hard work. Thank you for watching Morning Motivation on Acholi TV. And if you are not subscribed, why don't you join the 15,700 more people who are already subscribed on Acholi TV, and you get the next video. Thank you. I wish you a nice time. Don't believe in luck, because it is something which is very fragile. Believe in hard work, because it yields more fruit than the luck you believe in. Believing in luck is a maximum risk, because you will be believing in uncertainties. You will be subject to uncertainties. It is like hoping for what you have no control over. But with hard work, you will know how to measure your input and your expectation. You can easily determine whether you're on the right track or you are not on the right track. So it is better for you to believe in hard work and do it than to believe in luck. There are people who get lucky in life, and luck do exist in life. But as a matter of fact, let luck just be an added advantage of labor. Let it be an advantage of working hard. Put your biggest effort so that you are more comfortable that this is my expectation, this is my mathematics, and this is what I believe I might get.